Wouldn't be a weekend away without a selection of lube. This one is from Puccio from the Vuelta. Temperatures aren't looking great, particularly the direction I'm going. Quite possibly the finest bit of cycling kit I've ever bought. Hello and welcome to this short video. Just going to quickly run through the bags and likely kit list for the forthcoming 48-hour challenge. On the front, we've got the Apidura handlebar bag. In the middle, the Restrap Race 4-litre frame bag. And on the back is the Tailfin top tube bag on top of the Tailfin alloy rack system. Quite possibly the finest bit of cycling kit I've ever bought. Whilst riding the bike, just going with the basics, obviously jersey and bibs, gilet, likely arm warmers, temperatures and weather isn't looking too great. Just some mitts there, some old ones. Look at the state of that. Clearly my nose wiping side. And then on me, just in the pockets, got a spare CO2 and tube and hand pump as well. And then just cash and card. And then in the rest of the pockets is just going to be phone and probably lots of food. On the front, we've got the Apidura handlebar bag. Bought this and a few other bits of kit a few years ago, second hand on eBay. Just trying to encourage myself really to get into this bike packing, multi-day stuff. In here, we have got a waterproof Endura Pro Sport, I think it is, Pro SL. I think I will be wearing this quite a lot during the 48-hour challenge. First aid kit, leg warmers, temperatures aren't looking great, particularly the direction I'm going, and then some sort of wet weather gloves just in case the rain does get a bit heavy. And that is the front bar bag. I think this is more for flat handlebars because it is massive. Even if you only roll it up to about there once it's full, that is not going to fit inside my 40cm handlebars. In the middle, got the Restrap 4-litre race frame bag. This is new for this trip. I've just done one sort of test ride a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, keen to see how this goes. It is pretty darn big. In here is really the kind of weightier, bulkier items that hopefully I won't need to access during the ride. But if I do, then at least they're in here and I can get to them pretty quickly. The Cafe Lock, a Team Sky user. This one is from Puccio from the Vuelta 7 years ago. Just somewhere just a lot of food and drinks and stuff. Punch repair kit, hopefully won't need that. A few energy bars. I'm not really sure what I'm doing for food the Friday night and limited chances on the Saturday morning, so at least I've got something if I need it. Glasses, because I'm old and need them for reading stuff. Power bank, my friend and your friend too, Mr. Pro Plus. Just in case, you know, got some long days ahead. A selection of lube. Wouldn't be a weekend away without a selection of lube. I was supposed to be just using these ones, have a few of these, but I used them all up on the French trip and I forgot to restock. And then on here, on the side pocket, it's just like a slim side pocket. Bit of paperwork in there, my intended itinerary. So when the tiredness and the fatigue kicks in and start to bonk, just simple maths and trying to work out where I am, how far I've got to go, what the speed is, how long is that going to take. I just can't do the maths. Got it nicely scribbled down. Quite possibly saving the best till last. This is the Tailfin top bag, 20 litres if needed. Obviously travelling a bit light this time. 20 litres, capacity of 9 kilograms if required. I think it's probably about 4 or 5 in here at the minute. Sits on top of their alloy rack system. Like I say, it is quite possibly the finest bit of cycling equipment I've purchased. I've wanted one for years. I finally got around to getting one. It is a modular self-build design. So it does fit quick release through axle and frame mounting. Obviously you choose which one you want. I've got the alloy rack with the detachable bag. You can get the carbon alloy combo or you can go fully carbon. There is also the aero pack, but the bag is fixed to the arch, so they all come off as one. But I wanted the ability to take this on and off as I please and find it a little bit easier for loading and accessing stuff. On the top, just got the larger of the locks. So inside the tail fin, we have got some footwear, some cables and chargers, toothbrush, a lightweight fleece just for the evening, some off the bike short. In here I've got a mask as well, just in case I need it, so it's always there. And then the cables for when I get to the hotel. They're nicely stored, not going to be moving around, I know where they are. Off the bike t-shirts, toiletries, underwear, socks, school cap if I need it. I'll probably make that a bit more accessible. Second bike kit, definite second pair of bibs. Could probably just do this on one kit. I think I'll go for a little bit more comfort and luxury. So I've got second bibs, and we'll probably run a second jersey as well. And then just the old kind of wash it in the shower, bring it up in the towel and hope it dries kind of trick. And then what is usually the saddlebag on this bike, CO2, spare tube, tire levers, chain link, lights and stuff. On the front, got the Cat Eye Volt 800, the Wahoo Roam head unit, and on the back, the Exposure Blaze rear light. And that is what I'm taking on the 48-hour challenge. If you want to get in the comments, let me know what I've missed, what you would do better, what changes I need to make, what you would do differently, what you would do better. I will probably do another video purely on the tail fin because it deserves it, basically. I think I am going to do more long distance rides this summer, simply because riding with the tail fin is such good fun. Going on some proper adventures with this, and it's just a great bit of kit. Really enjoyable riding the bike, carrying your stuff and doing point to point. I've now got to bag all this crap back up, but if you want to stick around, hopefully in about a week or so, should hopefully put together a video about what happened in the 48-hour challenge, where I ended up, the highs, the lows, the in-betweens. That's it. Thanks for watching. I got this second-hand off eBay a few years ago. I just bought a load of kit to try and encourage myself to actually go and do this. Okay.